Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the Fiat 500 fuel cap. To begin, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is completely off. The very first step is to locate the fuel flap release lever inside your car. This small but important lever is usually situated near the driver's seat, perhaps on the floor or integrated into the dashboard. Give it a firm pull to release the exterior fuel filler flap, preparing it for the next step. Now that you have pulled the release lever, proceed to the exterior of your Fiat 500. Gently open the fuel filler flap. It should swing open smoothly, revealing the fuel cap beneath. If you encounter any resistance, do not force it. Check for any potential obstructions or ensure the release lever was fully engaged. The cap should now be clearly visible and ready for removal, making the next step straightforward and simple. With the fuel flap open, you can now access the fuel cap. Grasp the cap firmly with your hand. To remove it, you will need to turn it counterclockwise. Continue rotating the cap in this direction. You should feel it loosen and eventually become completely free from the filler neck. Sometimes, you might hear a small click or feel a distinct release as the cap detaches. Once it is fully unscrewed, you can lift it away. Once the fuel cap is removed, you can place it in its designated holder, if your Fiat 500 is equipped with one. Now, you are ready to refuel your vehicle with the appropriate type of fuel. After you have finished refueling, it is crucial to replace the cap correctly. Screw the cap clockwise back onto the filler neck. Continue turning it until you hear at least 3 distinct clicks. This ensures a proper and secure seal, preventing fuel vapors from escaping.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.